Why, hello there. Today we look at Premier Longines Spirit 39, Zulu Time in titanium. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. If you haven't heard about the Longines Spirit, then you probably reside in a time zone not covered by any GMT watch on the market. But seriously, this watch is all the rage at its price point. No wonder Longines keeps adding new variants. Thus say hello to a GMT in 39 millimeters, with a case and bracelet from grade 5 titanium. Already packed with features, now the Zulu Time comes in a lighter version, instantly making it more wearable, as spirits are notorious for wearing large for their sizes. Longines do like those long lugs, don't they? Never mind, those golden numerals in hands bring the feeling of opulence, like a hot shower after a hard day's work. It's a simple emotion, call it primal even, yet it works for many. Moving on to facts, Zulu Time is a true GMT watch. Now, before the shooting war in the comments begins, HHN just quotes Longines here. In a true GMT watch, you can adjust the hour hand without stopping the watch. If you want to move the fourth hand, the GMT hand, then you need to hack the movement. It allows for a quick change of the time zone when you travel, but there is no quick set date. This setup is ideal for a frequent flyer who uses this watch as a daily driver. An absolute pain if you wear it in a rotation at home. A GMT complication in titanium obviously catapults this particular Spirit almost to the top of the range, as the second only to the chronographs. There's no point of complaining about the price, as this watch, spec-wise, punches way above its weight. At HHN, we see a clear distinction between an entry-level Spirit 3-hander, available for 2,200 euros, and this one. I mean, a titanium bracelet is nothing trivial, not to mention the impressive movement. Let's face it, resistance is futile. Thank you for sticking with us in good spirit. Catch you in the next one.